Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. No project this week because I just delivered the Unity coffee table to its new owner. And I still have to process that video and do all the editing and magic that happens behind the scenes. So that should be next week, hopefully. And this week, I am starting the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021. Because I make terrible decisions. And no sooner had I announced in my 2021 New Year's resolutions video that this would be the year that I'm going to make a guitar. No sooner than that happened that I noticed Ben Crow over at Crimson Guitars announced that the Great Guitar Build-Off was back for another year. Last year was its first year, and it was like late in the year. And this year it starts in February. And so I thought, you're terrible at making decisions. Why not make your first guitar part of an international global luthiery contest with actual luthiers? And so that's what I did. I signed up for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021, and I'm going to dig into that this weekend. Next week should be the Unity coffee table video. Hopefully the week after that, I will have made some progress on the guitar. And there may or may not be a video ready for the week after next. But a reminder that every Saturday night at 5:30 Pacific time, I do have a live show where I muck around over on the lathe and try not to screw something up. So that's going to serve as the weekly video for the next little while. And I might have a bi-weekly edited project type video over the next little while. So this is just an announcement that that's what's coming down the pipe for the next little while on the channel. Stay tuned, because there's going to be some things happening. I can't guarantee that they're going to be good. Well, the coffee table's good. But after that, it's all up in the air. Because I decided to make my first ever guitar as part of an international luthiery competition. So if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and just get started on that. And don't forget, if you like what I do here on the channel, I'll have links down below to my Etsy store and my Patreon page that you can go check out and see how you can help me keep doing it. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. Bye for now.